Did you know that one card game can destroy an entire family's future in just one night? Young Nikolai Rostov sits in the dim candlelight, his hands shaking as he holds a quill pen. The cards are still scattered on the floor where he threw them in rage just hours before. He lost everything: the family estate, the money, the honor his father built over decades. All gone because he couldn't stop gambling. Now he stares at the blank paper trying to write words that will never be sent. A letter explaining why he can't face his family, why he can't live with what he's done. But as the candle burns lower, Nikolai realizes something darker. This isn't just about money or land. It's about who he really is when everything is stripped away. Will he choose the easy escape of a coward, or will he face the terrible weight of his choices? In Tolstoy's world, even the smallest moral collapse echoes like thunder through generations. This is Everyday Requiem,